Have you heard of precision cookers or the sous vide cooking method? If your answer is no, then this video is for you. In this video, I will give you 10 ideas to make your cooking more efficient, exciting, and less time-consuming. All that without having to spend tons of money. Let's get into it! Honorable mentions. Salad spinners quickly and effectively dry freshly washed greens and herbs, ensuring your salads are crisp and not watered down. Hand mixers save time and effort compared to manual mixing, but they take less space than stand mixers. Electric kettles populate every kitchen in many countries, but others are still unaware of their uses. They heat water much faster than a stovetop kettle, saving time for any activity that requires boiling or warm water, such as making tea, instant coffee, or cooking pasta. Food processors. Extremely versatile appliance that can handle a variety of tasks, including chopping, dicing, slicing, shredding, or blending, making it an all-in-one solution for many kitchens. With multiple attachments and blades, it offers versatility for both simple and complex recipes, saving both time and physical effort. You can find some simpler compact models, or you can go all the way with the larger all-in-one models. Air fryers. Most people have heard of air fryers, but many have not yet grasped all that they bring to the table. They cook food faster than traditional ovens, which is ideal for quick meals and snacks. Additionally, many air fryers come with preset functions for different foods, ensuring optimal cooking conditions with minimal guesswork. They allow for healthier meals, reducing the use of oil or butter. If your counter space is limited, you can find smaller models. But if you are cooking larger amounts, you will benefit from an extra large model. Slow cookers. The perfect appliance for preparing meals overnight or while you're at work, with dishes ready to eat when you return home, providing convenience and time savings. Slow cooking enhances flavors and tenderizes tougher cuts of meat, making meals more flavorful and enjoyable. It gives you a lot of hands-off time, and the cooking gives great results. Be mindful of your needs, as some models can take up a lot of space. Pressure cookers. In the opposite end of the spectrum, we have the pressure cookers. They can significantly reduce cooking times for dishes like beans, stews, and roasts, making it perfect for weeknight meals. Even if they are more widely known, sometimes their benefits are overlooked. Save time, energy, and eat healthier. Some of the models have combined functionality with slow cookers and air fryers, so you will be saving both counter space and money. Toaster ovens. Tired of using your oven for toasting or baking small portions? Try a toaster oven. They are energy efficient compared to full-sized ovens, making it a more sustainable choice for smaller tasks. Many models offer additional functions like broiling, roasting, and even air frying, adding to its versatility. Precision cooker. Many people haven't heard about precision cooking. It involves vacuum sealing food in a bag and cooking it in a regulated water bath. It allows for precise control over cooking temperatures, and it results in perfectly cooked proteins and vegetables with high consistency. This method helps food retain more nutrients and moisture, leading to healthier and more flavorful meals. Digital thermometer. If you don't want to change the way you cook but would still like to perfect your cooking point, a digital thermometer can be a game changer. It helps you achieve precise cooking temperatures, which is essential for food safety, particularly with poultry and pork. The instant read function saves time compared to traditional thermometers, ensuring your meat is cooked perfectly without extended guessing. Mandolin slicers. It's difficult to get consistent cooking when we have big chunks of food mixed with thin slices. Mandolin slicers can help you achieve more consistent thickness for all slices and make your dishes look more professional and evenly cooked. They often come with various blades for different cuts, such as julienne or waffle, expanding your culinary possibilities. Automatic stirrer. How many times did you wish you had 4 hands to be able to stir the food cooking and do something else at the same time? The automatic stirrer are the best option you have until science advances a little more. It will allow you to multitask and ensure a more even distribution for the food while it's cooking. They have some limitations, but they can be a useful addition for the preparation of many dishes. Electric griddles. The electric griddles possess a large surface area that allows you to cook multiple items at once, which is perfect for family breakfasts or batch cooking. The consistent and adjustable heat settings ensure even cooking, making it ideal for a variety of dishes. If you want to explore more in depth some of the appliances, go to my other videos where I review them in more detail. See you soon.